Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got another limited edition unboxing to show you, and it is the Glossybox Summer Beauty Bag. And it's huge. I honestly wasn't expecting it to be a proper beach bag. It clearly shows in photos, but in my head I thought we were getting like a toiletry bag, you know? Enough to put all your bits and pieces in, but not an actual big shoulder bag. It's so handy, so handy. Love the colour as well. So chuffed with that, even before we get on to the products. So then, this is a limited edition that was released a couple of days ago. It's now available on general sale. As always, Glossybox opens it up for subscribers first, and then a couple of days later, everyone can purchase it. It contains 10 items. There is one variation which you get to choose, which I'll go into. It has a value of £150. Subscribers can get it for £30. Non-subscribers can get it for £40. Plus there's some freebies in there as well, which is really cool. So if you're interested in this for yourself, as always, you'll find a direct link to it down below in my description. And I believe a non-subscriber managed to have a bit of a discount off it, 10% off. If that code still works, then you'll find it down there as well. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to, and you also see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. And I've got a Glossybox giveaway running on my Instagram page, which is ending next week. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside this bag. Inside you find a QR code which you're able to scan. I've just done it. It hasn't brought up extra information about the products. It's just taken me to the page where you can purchase it. But that's fine, because I was going to look on there anyway to give you some information. We'll all receive 9 of the same items. And then for the last item, you get to choose between 3 different products. You can either choose a Redken. It's a multi-benefit One United spray. It's a leave-in shampoo. And a Maria Nila dry shampoo. You don't have a choice in which one of those you'll receive, but that is the one that I went for. Or you can guarantee a Matrix Food for Soft Hair shampoo and conditioner worth £6.47 each. I chose the Redken and Maria Nila choice, and in my bag I've got the Maria Nila, which I'll show you first. It's a dry shampoo. It's invisible shampoo, lightweight hold, 100% vegan and cruelty free, and there's 100 mils there. So yeah, nice handy size. Can I tell you anything about it? No, not really, but you all know how to use a dry shampoo. So, got an invisible dry shampoo. Then we got a Brushworks. This is a heatless curler, and I'll get it out and show you. I've received this before. I don't know when, can't remember what beauty box or whatever, but I gave it to my daughter. But now I've got hair extensions in my hair. I've got a row of tape extensions, which I have done professionally. I go to a salon and do it. I have done it myself in the past, and yeah, fine putting in, getting them out. Oh, rip my hair to shreds. So just for the summer months, just to thicken up my natural hair, I've got like a row. So now that my hair is longer, I'm going to keep this for myself and use it. So you've got a soft headband, which you put on top of your head like that. And then you basically twist your hair around it. I can't remember now exactly. I think, why would you put this in your hair? Because you wouldn't sleep with this in your hair, would you? It's a handy little clip for your hair. Do you know something which is genius? For all you selfie lovers out there, or if you like taking videos of yourself or whatever, if you're stuck for a tripod and you've got a hair clip, this will grab your phone. Obviously it's not going to stay up now because it's on my hand. It can stay upright like that. So yeah, you're never stuck for somewhere to put your phone if you want to take a photo of yourself. If ever you do that. I'm just thinking of me on holiday on my own in a couple of months' time. So yeah, I'll be having a little clip like this in my bag. But yeah, as far as sleeping with this in, no. But then you've got 2 little scrunchies here that you tie on the bottom, and then you tie it all up in a bun. No, I don't know, to be honest. Does this say? You might tell me here. Heatless curlers. Suitable for all hair types 2 inches below shoulder length. Yeah, that's fine. No, the best bet is to go online, isn't it? Go on to good old YouTube. Follow what they've done. I have tried before with my natural hair, but my hair is so thin. Oh, it just looks awful. But no, I'm definitely going to give this a go. Now that I've got better hair. Okay, it's fake. It's real hair, but it is fake hair. Mixed in with my natural. And I got a handy tripod. Then we got a really gorgeous smelling cream. This is Weleda Regenerating Body Butter. Firms and improves skin's elasticity for maturing skin, but it can be for any skin really. In pomegranate, and there's 150 mils here. This is really, really nice. I've tried it before. I still got some. But look, Weleda do amazing body creams. Oh, it just smells so nice. It smells of sweets. Look how thick that is. Look how thick that is. Yeah, really thick and luxurious. Great for dry skin. So in my case, amazing for my legs. I'm just going to blend that in all over my hands. And it smells of sweets. So we've got a regenerating body butter there. Then we got Medicate, one of my favourite brands as well. This is Crystal Retinol Ceramide Eye Cream 6. Smooth and Lift Eye Cream, gentle release of vitamin A. There's 15 mils here. This is full size. And I've got this on the go next to my bed. So I use this at night with the Crystal Retinol 6 face cream. There, can you see there? I'm not going to open that just yet because I don't want to, it's just a white cream basically. It looks like a moisturiser, so you're not missing out much. My skin just looks amazing in the morning when I use this, and the face cream as well. It's just, oh, my skin isn't the best at the moment, but those two products really make a difference to my skin. I just look nice and fresh and even skin toned. Medicate is brilliant, and it's a brand I will continue to purchase and use over and over again. I'm going to save that for when my one has run out. But yeah, this is a night cream. I'm not sure if I said that. Does it say there? I'm not sure if I read that out to you, but yeah, it's a retinol night cream, so you just wear that at night. We've got a spray. This is Hawaiian Tropic Sunset Serenity Fragrance Mist Cooling Edition. This is Orange Blossom and Dewy Peony, and 250 mils. Now we might have, I'll have a look now on the website. We might have different ones. No, we all received this one. Okay, let's do the smell test. Hopefully this is going to be better than my last video. Have any of you seen that? Oh my gosh. Testing 6 Charlotte Tilbury perfumes. Not good. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that is nice. Fruity, florally. Not too overly sweet. It's just really nice, a nice summery light scent. It is sweet, but it's not too overpoweringly sweet for me, if that makes sense. Yeah, this is lovely, and it does feel nice and cooling on my skin. Let's try. Oh. Yeah, I love that. Got a nice big fragrance mist there. Now I made a mistake. You know, I said at the start that we'll all receive 9 products and then we get to choose a Matrix shampoo and conditioner or a Redken multi-benefit leave-in conditioner / Maria Nila dry shampoo. Well, no. I've just looked on the website now. Everyone receives this. This is one of your 9, and the choice is just between the Redken leave-in shampoo or the Matrix shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, so what did I choose then? I'm sure I went for the Redken, and this is what I got. So this is a 21 benefits, 1 united multi-benefit treatment for all hair textures. There's 30 mils here. It's a little one, and the writing is so small. After shampooing, spray evenly on damp or towel dried hair. Leave in for nourishment, or rinse out after a few minutes. So it's like a leave-in treatment conditioning spray. So that is what I chose. Then we got Schwarzkopf. This is for your hair. This is BC Bonacure Colour Freeze Treatment for coloured hair. It's a mask, I think. Colour Freeze, yeah, pH 4.5, 30 mils. Let's see if there's extra information on the website. Bonacure hair treatment. So hasn't got any information about it on the Glossybox website. Yeah, mask. It's got to be a hair mask. Then we got a lip oil from Clarins. This is a lip comfort oil with sweetbriar rose oil. It's a little one. It's in honey, and I'm excited to give this a go. I've seen this around on social media a lot recently. It's supposed to be really, really lovely. Ooh, I can't even open it. How do you open it? Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, I can't describe it. It smells like a cocktail. It doesn't smell of honey. Ooh, it's on my nose. Oh, it smells really nice. I have got a bit of lip oil on already, but let's put some on top. Yeah, it feels nice. It's got like a strawberry taste to it. Natural colour and glossy shine. Lips are moisturised and look more beautiful, even bare. Comfortable, light and non-sticky, glossy texture. Lip hugging cushion applicator. So we've got a honey lip oil from Clarins. We have got e.l.f. skincare, and this is SPF 30 sunscreen. This is Suntouchable invisible sunscreen, and there's 10 mils here. Yeah. What can I tell you about it? It's for dry, normal, oily combination skins. It's completely clear, multitasking primer with sunscreen. Helps protect your skin while creating a velvety, smooth finish that blurs imperfections and grips makeup for long-lasting wear. Infused with soothing and hydrating ingredients, the clean SPF 30 formula disappears on all skin tones with zero white cast or greasy feel. Oh, okay. I didn't realise it was a primer. Okay, I'll just put a little bit on top. Oh, it's just come out as an oil. Maybe it needs a good old shake. Oh, there we go. There. Yeah, just needed a good shake. Feels really, really nice on my skin. It's very much like an oil. Imagine a spray oil type SPF. So it's a sun protection and blurring primer sample. And before I go on to the freebies, the last item that you'll receive in the bag is this eyeshadow palette by the amazing Natasha Denona. Oh my gosh, her eyeshadow palettes are stunning. Not just the palettes, the formula. So, so, so good. This is the mini bronze palette. And this is full size, as in you can buy them at this size. She has lots of these. There's smaller versions of a larger palette. There. Really pretty. Look at those colours. I love that one. They're so pigmented. Her eyeshadows are definitely my favourite for formula and colours, and yeah, I absolutely adore them. Nice little palette to take away. And then we got 2 freebies, which I wasn't aware that we were receiving. I don't think it has been shown on any posts that Glossybox have shown us. We've got a drink and some sweets. So we've got a gut-friendly pop. This is Selfish, peach and orange. It's a sparkling prebiotic drink made with real fruit. I'm going to save that. I'm going to pop that in the fridge and save that. But how lovely. I love trying things like this. And then we got some Tic Tacs. We got flamingo and cherry and lemonade flavour. Oh, that is so cute. Let's try some. Yeah, let's try 3. They are great. I haven't had Tic Tacs in years. So we got these 2 little freebies. Those are all the products in this year's Glossybox Beauty Limited Edition bag. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So you'll get this large shoulder beach bag. You get a Brushworks Heatless curler set. You get Hawaiian Tropic Sunset Serenity, a fragrance mist. Maria Nila Invisi Dry shampoo. Medicate Crystal Retinol Ceramide eye cream. Weleda Regenerating Body Butter in Pomegranate. Honey Lip Oil from Clarins. Schwarzkopf Colour Freeze Treatment Mask. Suntouchable, a priming SPF from e.l.f. Natasha Denona Mini Bronze Palette. And then you get to choose between a Matrix product or a Revlon product. And I went for the Revlon, which is a leave-in conditioning treatment for your hair. There's also some sample perfumes from Viktor and Rolf. And I got a liquid IV little sachet sample there. And then I got a can of pop from Selfish and some Tic Tacs. And here you go. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this beauty bag? I'm a subscriber to Glossybox, so I paid £30 for it. I really like it. Really chuffed with the bag size. Love the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette as well. Yeah, there's some sample sizes in there. Obviously, it's worth £150, but is it worth you paying £40 for it if you're not a subscriber? I'd love to hear what you think. So please comment down below, and also if you bought it for yourself as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.